Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of strength, luxury, and off-road dominance with the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper. A true fortress on wheels, this vehicle redefines the boundaries of safety, comfort, and adventure. First, let's talk about the interior. Toyota is known for its practical innovation and attention to detail, and the 2026 Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is no exception. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a spacious, intelligently designed living area that blends rugged durability with modern comfort. The cabin is outfitted with reinforced luxury materials, ballistic-grade paneling concealed beneath premium leather seating, and high-end composite finishes. The living area features a large tactical display screen, a premium surround sound system, and bullet-resistant panoramic windows that provide stunning views without compromising safety. The kitchen is fully equipped with off-grid essentials, including a military-grade water purification system, a dual-power refrigerator, and an induction cooktop. The bedroom offers a secure king-size sleeping area with concealed storage, while the armored ensuite bathroom includes reinforced fixtures and a pressurized filtration system, ensuring peace of mind no matter where you travel. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is designed to dominate every environment. Its aggressive angular lines and six-wheel stance immediately command attention. The armored bodywork is constructed from high-strength steel and composite plating, offering protection against ballistic threats and extreme conditions. The matte, tactical paint finish enhances both stealth and durability, while the roof-mounted floodlights, heavy-duty winches, and a deployable drone bay showcase its expedition-ready capabilities. The extendable armored awning creates a fortified outdoor shelter, while the 6x6 drivetrain and beadlock alloy wheels ensure unparalleled traction and stability across sand, snow, or rock. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is powered by a beastly 7.2-liter twin-turbo diesel V8, delivering immense torque and reliability. Combined with its six-wheel drive system, adaptive off-road suspension, and armored underbody protection, this camper can conquer the harshest terrains with ease. The advanced multi-gear transmission ensures smooth power delivery whether you're navigating highways, deserts, or mountain trails. Equipped with Toyota's latest AI-assisted off-road navigation and autonomous drive assist features, the camper makes maneuvering a massive armored vehicle surprisingly manageable. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is a highly specialized vehicle, and its price reflects its elite positioning. Starting at around $850,000, it's far from an entry-level option. But for adventurers, security-focused travelers, or those seeking the ultimate armored camper, it delivers unmatched value. The price includes bespoke protection, advanced off-road systems, and Toyota's reputation for durability and reliability. Owning this camper isn't just about travel, it's about commanding freedom, safety, and confidence anywhere in the world. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is the ultimate fusion of armored protection, expedition-grade performance, and luxury living. Whether you're preparing for a world expedition, off-grid living, or simply want the ultimate 6x6 armored experience on wheels, the Toyota Sprinter Camper delivers on every front. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.